Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on Axiom. And right now, if you want to do this, we click right here on start trading, and then we need to create ourselves an account. So what we're going to do right here is we fill in right here our email address, and then right here we click right here on sign up. Then right now they send a verification code to our email address, so we go to our email address to search that verification code. There we have it, and then we copy and paste it right here. Then we fill in right here a password, so we will do this real quick. And then we do continue. And then right now we signed up. So here we have our recovery key. And then what we can do is review my key, but right now we do this, paste it right here. And now we do next, then we do skip, then we do next, skip, next, start trading. And there we are, guys. Now we are having an account right here on Axiom. And right here is also standing Axiom Pro. So immediately it's Axiom Pro. So this is how you can create yourselves an account right here on Axiom Pro. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.